Congratulations! Today you are on a mission to be a reading detective. To be a reading detective, you'll need to sit in a quiet spot with your headphones so that you can hear very good. Pause the video and go find a quiet listening spot. Okay, detectives. Today, your goal is to pay attention to key details in the text. You'll have to look closely and carefully while we're reading a story together today and pay attention to important information. You might hear me say the words key details. What are key details? They're just important information. Okay, our mission is now going to begin. We're going to explore the book called Let's Visit the Moon by Patricia Newman. This book is kind of like a science book. It's going to teach you some information about the moon. While you're listening to me read, ask yourself, what am I learning about the moon today? You might learn some important information that might help Merc and your friends so that they don't have to be afraid of the dark. We're going to get started by reading page 6 first. Listen carefully as I read the text to you. Look up at the night sky. Do you see the moon? Maybe it glows like a silver ball. Maybe it's a thin strip of light. Sometimes you can see the moon during the day. Wow, let's look at the picture. Here I see a strip of the moon. Here I see the moon during the day. Oh, and look at that. That's a full ball that's glowing. Okay, now I'm going to be a reading detective to answer this question about key details. What does the writer say the moon looks like at different times? Let's go back into the text and look at the picture to help explain how the moon looks different at different times. Look here. It says maybe it glows like a silver ball. Yep, I see a glowing silver ball. Look what else the author said. Maybe it's a thin strip of light. Here you can kind of see it's a thinner strip. And even look at that. That's a very thin strip of light. The moon is changing, huh? And last, the author says sometimes you can see the moon during the day. And look at this picture. That's the moon during the daytime. We just learned 3 ways the moon can change by being reading detectives and finding key details.